Hello friend, today 24th December 2026 and I decided to leave some of my stock holdings. Today I will show you those stocks which I decided to leave. So you can see Ujjivan Finance which I left today 100 shares at the rate of 52.64. Equitas Finance Bank which I also left 140 shares at the rate of 61.59, and IDFC First Bank I left at 84.71 100 shares. So this is my all records of portfolio. Let me write it down here. Today I left so I have to write today's date. I bought it on 13th September 2024 at the rate of 42.74, which I sold it today at the rate of 52.64. So let me write it down. So 100 shares which I bought, it gave me profit around 912 rupees to be approx after deducting taxes, brokerage, delivery charges and all other expenses. So was it the right decision or not, I don't know. I got profit. I bought it at 42, I sold it at 52, so I got profit. It was enough for me. So that was the decision I took. On 2nd September 2025 I bought 140 shares of Equitas Small Finance Bank at the rate of 51.36, which I sold it today on 24th December 2026 at the rate of 61.59. So let me write it down over here, 61.59. So after deducting brokerage, taxes and all other expenses, I earned profit around 1346. So 140 shares of Equitas Bank, I bought it at 51.36, which cost me around 7,216 rupees. I sold it at 8,562 rupees. I earned a profit of 1,346. So it was enough for me, so I decided to sell it. Was it a right decision? I don't know. Is it going to move up further in the coming future? Maybe, I don't know. It may fall down also, it move up also, but I decided to sell it because I had some profit. So I don't know was it a right decision or not. 100 shares of IDFC First Bank, I sold it today on 24th December 2025, which at the rate of 84.71, and out of those 100 shares, 76 shares I bought it on 30th July 2025, and another 24 shares I bought it on 22nd July 2025 here at the rate of 72.79. total you can see here on 24 shares after deducting brokerage, delivery charges and everything, I got profit around 215 rupees, and here I got profit around 1061 odd rupees. So I decided to sell these shares. So was it a right decision for me or not, I don't know, but you can see the chart over here. So I will tell you why I decided to sell Ujjivan. What I found over here, that is, here I drew a trend line. So what I observed, that this particular line which I had drawn, it just failed to break it here. I don't know, it may bounce from this point also. Previously it was the resistance, so it may be a support now. I don't know much about it, but it doesn't look good to me, so I decided to sell it. It's a 1 year graph, so it may consolidate for some more time. So I don't know, I may be wrong. Total 400 Ujjivan Small Finance Bank shares I had, out of which I sold just hundreds, and the 300 shares I already have. So if the price will go up, then I will sell it. In case of Equitas Bank also, I will show you. It is a trend line. I don't know will it be broken or not. Here in the 6-month chart, so it's a down hammer. It has been shown. Down hammer is a symbol. It may correct to some extent. I am not quite sure about it, but I decided to sell because I have total 600 Equitas Small Finance Bank. I just sold 140 shares. Still another 460 will be left with me that I bought at higher price. So if the price will move up, then I will sell. So I got profit of this share, so I sold it, so that I will sell later when the price will move up. I got profit, I sold it. Was it the right time to sell or not? Because I am unable to predict the market. Is it going to move up or is it going to move down? No one can predict it. If you see the 5-year graph here, so there is a multiple resistance and it is a down hammer. So I don't know, this resistance can temporarily stop the price to move further up. I don't know, I may be wrong, but if you see here several times, it has a resistance at this level 83. So that's why here multiple times it took resistance here. So I got profit, I sold it. Still I have more shares. You can see, I will show you in my portfolio. Here this is my portfolio. So Equitas Bank, I have currently 600 shares. I sold only 140 shares. So still 460 shares will be left with me that I will decide when to sell. So I had profit, so I sold 140 shares. IDFC First Bank also same case. I have 300 shares, out of which I sold 100 shares because I had profit, and in case of Ujjivan 400 shares total I have, and average cost you can see 42 means total average cost, but 100 shares I sold, 300 will be left with me. I will decide what to do with it. So I don't know was it a right decision that I took or not. Let's see what happens in future. So this is not any kind of recommendation. I am no one to recommend. I don't have any knowledge about finance. I am a computer science student.